All right, Shalom everyone. Welcome to another episode with Kaleb Consultant. I am Malkah. Today we are going to go over some wonderful information for you that is going to help you during this time. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Can't speak today. Praise Yahweh, glory to Yahweh. As always, I always say all thanks and praises due to Yahweh. Today, we are going to go over recession-proof business. Why some gain wealth while others go broke. Recession-proof businesses. Why do some people gain wealth and other people go broke during a recession? Do you know? All right, we are going to go over that. Every few years, the economy goes through a shaking, just like what's going on now. Prices rise, jobs are lost, and fear fills the land. But the truth is, recessions are not new. Say it again. Recessions are not new. We've been there, done that. Let's go to Ecclesiastes chapter 1, verse 9, which says, "The thing that had been, it is that which shall be. And that which is done is that which shall be done. And there's no new thing under the sun." Don't it sound like a riddle? A poem? A riddle and a poem? There's no new thing under the sun. It's the same old, same old. It's a cycle. It is a cycle that's going on. So what do you do? How do you gain wealth? Well, when everyone else is panicking, the wealthy do this. They call themselves the wise. Wealthy people are gain wealth because a lot of them are wise. They make moves when you panic. The wise are preparing. When the world cries scarcity, the faithful seize opportunity. For me, when the market go down, I buy. When it go high, I sell. You have to learn how to play the game, learn how the game works. If you only depend on one income, that's another thing. People lose money and get poor when there's a recession because they only have one income. Do you know you have passive income, earned income? There's so many different types of income. Interest income. If you only depend on one income, when it dries up, you're done. Scripture teaches us that we should have at least 5 sources of income. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Having multiple income streams is crucial for financial stability and security because it protects against one, job loss, economic downturns, and unexpected expenses. You have to diversify your income through various sources like earned income, you have to have investments, and business profits. You can build wealth and pay down your debt and fund retirement more effectively when you have more than one stream of income. Wealthy individuals often have multiple income streams. Multiple. Multiple. They make money when they're sleeping. Poor people, what happened? They start to panic instead of planning. When people start to panic instead of planning, that's when they lose money. When fear takes over, people stop moving by faith and start reacting to emotion. They freeze up. They stop sowing, stop creating, and stop believing in the vision that Yahweh gave them. Instead of building, they start withdrawing. Don't withdraw, jump in. Have faith in Yahweh and jump in. Why are you withdrawing? Instead of planning ahead, they start panicking about today. But the word of Yahweh tells us fear is not from Him. So where are you getting this fear from? When times are good, many spend everything they earn. Like when times are good, they spend up money, new cars, trips, luxury. But Proverbs 21:20 reminds us there is treasure to be desired and oil in the dwelling of the wise. But a foolish man spend it all up. See, you spend it all up, and now when the economy is going down, when the cycle is on, and it's time for a recession, then now you're like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? No, you have to be like Joseph and save while things are going good. Some people, they just swipe and go. They're just consumers. You can't consume everything. I love to live life and live life abundantly, but I don't spend up all I have. I don't just spend foolishly, and you shouldn't. Now, you want to know how when things are going down, the wealthy make money. Hmm. It's a storm and you're panicking and the wealthy is making money. They apply kingdom principles and understand value. See, while many crumble in fear, the wise gain wealth during the same storm because they apply kingdom principle and understand true value. As I said earlier, Joseph prepared in the fat years so he can prosper when the famine comes. Preparation turns crisis into promotion. See, wealthy people, we don't chase trends. Why am I chasing a trend? We serve needs. You have to be wise and focus on what people must have needs. During an economic downturn, people need food, they need health, they need things to be repaired because they're not going to replace things, they just start to repair it. Education and digital services. Don't worry about fashion. You want to make money during an economic downturn. You want to be one of the wise ones. You want to be one of the wealthy ones. Focus on those areas. And lastly, wealthy people, they recognize that every crisis brings a transfer of wealth. It's a big booming transfer. Everyone's talking about the trillions of dollars that's going to be transferred. But are you ready? Will you get some of the transfer? So while others still in fear, the faithful invest with patience, knowing that Yahweh uses every storm to reposition the diligent and reward the prepared. I'm prepared. When everything is going low, I buy. When everything is high, I sell. And then I also have multiple streams of income, which is what you should do. And look out for part 2 of the video where I'm going to go deeper into how you can have multiple streams of income and the businesses that you should invest in during this time. All right. Remember, the wealthy serve needs, not trends. Whatever you need, they have. Recession-proof wealth come from solving essential problems, not chasing fads. The wise invest where people must still spend. Food, health, repair, education, and digital services. Praise Yahweh, glory to Yahweh. I want you to remember this. A recession isn't the end, it's a reset. You've been calling for a reset all this time. That's what's going on. A recession isn't the end, it's a reset. It separates the wise from the foolish, the diligent from the lazy, the faithful from the fearful. Glory to Yahweh, and with Yahweh, I am not fearful. Why? Because Yahweh teach me how to be wise. So I am separated from the foolish, and this is why I'm here to let you know to do the same thing. Like, subscribe, comment, and you can reach me at bakalebconsultant@gmail.com and I can give you some tips. Until next time, praise Yahweh, shalom.